Hello everybody, how are you? I am Melissa, and to begin I want to tell you that I am really happy to be able to show you this new course that has been done with a lot of effort, so that the students who do it is to learn too much and feel identified with the topics that we will work on. Our virtual course is called Play the Game, as you can see in this part. We think that the title is very related to the topics that we choose for the students to develop in these 3 weeks. First of all, in this part, you will find a general course information which is based on justification, as you can see in this part, the justification, also the objectives of the whole course, as you can see, and also you can find the methodology, and all the activities that we will perform during these 3 weeks. And next, you can find the course outline and also the acceptable use policies that you take into account when you are making the course, because it's really important. So, for the first week, we decided to choose as the main topic of our course the sports. Why? Because we think that is a topic that most of the young people we are working and feel identified, since they live with it in their daily lives, and it is quite appealing for these students. In the course for the first week, you will find completely interesting activities. And the name for this week is What Sports Do You Like? And so, to start, you will find a presentation of what you can see in the first week. This presentation was due in Bisme, and you can go through slide by slide and you can see how we are to perform the activities and what you can find in this course in this week. Continue. For the lesson 1, you can find in each lesson you will find a learning strategy that will help you to improve your participation in a specific activity. For example, for the first lesson will be a learning strategy called taking notes, as you can see in that part. That will be important to note certain words that appear in the audio, and then remember that to perform to the rest of the activities. The first activity is the audio related to the vocabulary sports, and one activity to practice the vocabulary sports that you learned previously in more unrestrained way. To perform the activity, you have to execute the flash above if you need to do that. This is activity to match the spare picture with the correct name. For example, in this part, you can do this, and this is. Other topic is the grammar of play, go, or do, and also you can find the explanation of this grammar. There is a presentation, as you can see, and for this topic are two activities. One is a short template about the vocabulary, and the other is other activity in constructor, that is the filling the gaps with the grammar that you can learn previously. And the last activity, that is a forum about that what sport do you like, that is really good to share about that the other people like. And finally, to assess the week, you can find a quiz. For this second week, that is called Discovering New Sports. You can find also the presentation of what you have to do in the second week. So for example, you can find about the Olympic Games. There are a topic really interesting, matching pictures, complete the sentences, forums. The first topic is called the Olympic Games, and also for this week you can find a learning strategy. As you can see, there is called previewing. That it helps to predict the topic of the text, seeing connections, and understand what to do with it. There is really interesting to do the next activities. Also, you can learn about the grammar, present simple, and you can find a presentation about what is present simple, as you can see. And with this, you can perform the next activities. There is a complete the sentences with the present simple, the negative verb, and the questions. And for the third is the vocabulary of compound nouns. And you can find also one practice activity to put into practice your understanding about the previously topic. And for the assessment of the week 2, and for the week 3, that is called creating a new sport. You will find the presentation also about the third week, and the topics that we are going to work on. For example, the first is the grammar adverbs of frequency and the explanation about that. And also the activities. And the second is the sport start, that is an article. For the last is create a writing about a new original sport and a new sport stars. The assessment and the final product of our virtual course is do and speaking, creating a video including the last writing, and show you in that you what you learn about these topics, and show you what write what you like and all of those. And that's it. I hope that you can find this course interesting and you can learn a lot. And it is all. Thank you.